Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 47 of Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to add in photo borders inside of the images inside of Microsoft Word. So to do that, simply go to format right here, and then yes, you can actually select the preset and apply everything, but over here at the top we can see that there's picture borders. So you can actually select the border, something like this. So select the color that you want to apply the border, and then what you can also do is you can select no outline. So for more outline colors, simply select that and select the custom color of your choice. You can even enter the hexadecimal codes if you want, or enter the hue, saturation and illumination value over here according to what you're familiar with. And you can also increase the transparency just like this. So you can have a 40% transparency, press OK, and you can see that you have a purplish border right there. So you can also go over here and choose the type of the border. So you can have a more line setting right here. So this is 6 point. Simply click on more line to get more option right here. And you can see that you actually have line and fill color right here. Fill are just for shapes. So we're just going to look at line right now. So you can actually increase and decrease the transparency right here. Choose the color. You can increase and decrease the width over here. You can even choose the type of the border you want to apply. And you can also choose the type of dash you want to apply right there. So you can also do this. So I'm gonna select this right here, and you can see that that's the type of dash I have. In the cap type, you can have a roundest cap also and a flat cap as well. So you can also have the beveled roundish type of element right there. So I'm gonna disable this, and you can see that the roundest bevel is present over there. So I can have it round or meter and so forth, bevel and so forth. So I'm just gonna have round to actually have that kind of a look. So you can also have gradient line, which is a gradual change in color. So you have a linear or a radial gradient right here. We're gonna look at further while we're editing shapes inside of Microsoft Word. So I'm gonna see that you have path type of a gradient and so forth. So I'm just gonna leave that to radial right now. So you can choose the type of the border you want right from over here as well, and simply select the color over from here. So you can select the color for one of the areas and so forth. So you can change the color. You can also change the position of the border right there. So you can see a gradual change in position. You can increase and decrease the transparency of the border as well, and the brightness level of the border from over here. So now you can see that the color actually changed, and this is the gradual border that you have. You can also choose like the same option that you have with the solid line right here. So you can have radial, you can have a rectangular, or you can also have a path-like gradient, just like that. So that is how you can apply photo borders inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.